G'day, mate. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary challenge of thriving with just $50 a day. From vibrant cities to stunning landscapes, Australia has so much to offer, and I'm here to show you how to make the most of it without breaking the bank. So, grab a cuppa and join me on this budget-friendly journey down under. Accommodation options. Finding affordable accommodation is key to stretching your $50 budget. Explore different options such as sharing a flat with fellow adventurers, renting a room in a shared house, or even trying out backpacker hostels. With careful planning and research, you can discover some fantastic deals that won't drain your wallet. Embrace the great outdoors. One of the best things about Australia is its stunning natural beauty, and the best part? It's mostly free. From breathtaking beaches to magnificent national parks, there are countless opportunities to explore the great outdoors without spending a dime. Whether it's a coastal walk, hiking through the bush, or simply enjoying a picnic in a park, nature's wonders are yours to savor without putting a dent in your daily budget. Public transportation. Australia boasts an extensive and reliable public transportation system, making it convenient and affordable to get around. Invest in a transportation card, such as an Opal card in Sydney or a Myki card in Melbourne, and enjoy discounted fares on buses, trains, and trams. Exploring the cities and beyond has never been easier or more cost-effective. Local markets and budget eats. Tantalize your taste buds without breaking the bank by exploring local markets and budget-friendly eateries. Australia's multicultural society means you'll find a wide range of delicious, affordable food options from around the world. Treat yourself to mouthwatering street food, grab a snag at a sausage sizzle, or sample fresh produce at farmers' markets. With a bit of culinary curiosity, you'll discover hidden gems that won't strain your $50 budget. Free cultural experiences. Australia is rich in cultural heritage, and many museums, galleries, and cultural institutions offer free or discounted entry. Immerse yourself in art, history, and Aboriginal culture by visiting exhibitions, attending free events, or joining guided tours. The experience of diving into Australia's diverse cultural tapestry doesn't have to cost a fortune. Staycation adventures. Why not embark on a staycation adventure right in your own city or town? Take advantage of free activities, such as coastal walks, exploring local parks, or attending community events. Discover hidden gems, meet new people, and create lasting memories without spending a cent. Sometimes the best adventures are right on your doorstep. Living in Australia with $50 a day may seem like a challenge, but with careful planning and a sense of adventure, it's absolutely possible to make the most of your budget while immersing yourself in the wonders of this incredible country. From affordable accommodation options to embracing the natural beauty, Australia offers a wealth of experiences that won't break the bank. So, get out there, explore, and create your own budget-friendly Aussie dream. Remember, it's not about the money you spend, but the memories you make along the way. Safe travels and enjoy your down under adventure. Thanks for visiting our channel, and remember to subscribe now to stay up to date with our latest videos.